Practical, ma'am. And ma'am, this is the exam.
Morning, ma'am. I'm Mohammed Manish from class 9 Media with my teammate Nizar. Stand before you to start with the dam. So let's begin with what we have. A dam is a structure built across.
Here we have a process of electrolysis of water, basically the separation.
How many kinds of alankar are there?
मैम दो मैम शब्द अलंकार और अर्थ अलंकार मैम शब्द अलंकार वो अलंकार होते हैं
Rotatory motion.
All right.
It is moving in a circular path with physical touch of the wire.
Why, without the physical touch of the wire. All very nice, very nice.
Hello fellows, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to Grand Academic Exhibition which was organized by Stepping Stone Inter College. So let's get dive in. And this is Art
यहाँ
Gallery.
पे है हमारे स्टूडेंट्स की सारी मेहनत. मैम, which art is this? Mandala art. Yeah, this is mandala art. See the beautiful creation done by our students. Then next, this is paper art. See the beautiful bouquet made by the students. Mirror works. You can also see here. Here also mirror work. This is mandala art. These are the crafts, various crafts made by the student during Christmas time and the other times. See, this is the tie and dye work. And this is stencil work, right? Yeah. Students have done this via stencil. It's looking very, very beautiful. See, all these things have made by students, tie and dye work. These are paper works done by our little kids of class 1-3. This is Croatia work. It's beautiful. So next we have मात्राओं की किट. शुभ लाभ, तोरण. Here the dresses of various god and goddess. See this beautiful wall hanging, mirror wall hanging. And diya creation, diya art. Cute little turtles are there. Acha, nice. This is our art teacher, Jamala ma'am. Where is Manisha ma'am?
She's coming, ma'am.
Here I am. So this is Manisha ma'am. Hi. So she has helped a lot for this beautiful creation. All the art gallery. This is decorated by Manisha ma'am and Jamala ma'am. So they have given a great contribution in it to make this event a beautiful one. This is very wonderful, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
मूविंग टूअर्ड आर साइंस प्रोजेक्ट्स. इधर सारे साइंस प्रोजेक्ट्स लगे थे, बेसिकली फिज़िक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स, बायोलॉजी सारे. और मैं आपको बता दूं कि पेरेंट्स वर आल्सो इनवाइटेड. तो पेरेंट्स भी आए, उन्होंने भी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे, बहुत तारीफ़ें की, बच्चों से क्वेरी की, उन्हें भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. ये यहाँ पे बच्चों ने बनाई थी फार्मूला मशीन. लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू नो द फार्मूला ऑफ सर्कल, तो यू कैन जस्ट ओपन द door and you can know the formula. Next,
What it will do?
The pressure exerted by the vehicle. These piezo plates will be generating electricity, and that electricity will be stored in the capacitors.
It will generate electricity. Okay.
By that electricity, we can power street lights, traffic signals.
All right. So this is piezoelectric generator, which generate electricity when any heavy vehicle will run across the road. And where is that piezoelectric plate?
Ma'am, under the road.
Acha, so we need to insert it under the road. Very well done.
Pressure will be exactly like this.
Very well done.
Because this is doing to and fro motion. This is going forward and coming back.
So which motion it is?
It is auxiliary motion.
And show me this.
This is a rotatory motion. The giant
Okay.
wheel is doing rotatory motion.
All
Because
right.
It is moving in a circular path without changing its path.
All right. And what is this?
This is a pendulum example of periodic motion.
All right.
Because this is doing its kind of
To and fro motion.
to and fro motion in a fixed interval of time.
And
This
what
is a
it is?
curvilinear motion. The player is throwing the ball into the basket
All right.
in a curved path because so that this is called curvilinear motion.
All right. Very good. What is this, children?
This is a machine. The machine will tell us about the parts which are basically.
For example,
Suppose if you want to know where the diameter of the circle is, you can tell this figure. Then the diameter of the circle will be below.
Okay.
If you want to know the radius, you can tell this.
okay, so with the help of this machine, we can come to know about various parts of a circle. Like if nobody knows what is circumference, so they will, which button they will press? This button. Okay, so where is, okay, this is the circumference. Where is the center of the circle?
This one is the center. When we click this,
Okay, we get to know here is the center. Similarly, about the radius, we get to know it is a radius. Very well done, children. What it is?
Ma'am, this is carbon purification. Basically what happens here is the essence stick, which contain all the impurities and dust particles. From here all the carbon dioxide will enter, and here is the carbon and here is the cotton which collect all the impurities and dust particles. From here all purified air will come out.
Very nice project as well.
Of this bottle starts without any sensor, the water comes out like this. Whenever we keep the glass here, the water starts coming out.
this working is like this. We have put some
Steel conductor.
and the wires. When they both touch each other, the circuit will completed and motor will start and water will start.
Okay, keep the glass again.
Ma'am, it is very easy to use and it will help us to be hydrated.
And covered.
Very nice, children. What it is? Automatic.
Automatic water dispenser. Automatic water dispenser.
Very nice. So without switching on the button and all, we can get a glass of water only by keeping the glass of water. All right.
Inside this model and this filters collect all the dust. It is also known as collect all the dust particles air and the clean air will escape from this bottle. After that, the working of this model, my friend will explain something.
And when we turn on this vacuum cleaner, then the fan starts spinning and then it creates low pressure area inside the fan and the clean air expelled outside because of this
What it is?
It is a mesh topology in which 5 computers are connected with each other, and it can handle a large amount of data traffic. And some of the disadvantages and advantages are also there. The advantages are if one computer goes off, then all the 4 computers will still communicate with each other.
They will communicate with each other. All right. Without disturbing
Yes.
another one. What it is, children?
Model of ice. Light consists of certain parts including cholera, Aries, pupils, lens.
How it will work?
When light hits retina, this incident rotation are called photoreceptors. Photoreceptors send light electricity. Good morning, ma'am. This is mitochondria, also known as the powerhouse of the cell, because they provide energy to the cell. The energy provided in the form of a molecule known as adenocytokine. They are made up of 2 membranes. The outer membrane is smooth and the inner membrane is folded up. The fold of the inner membrane is known as cristae. When the all is stretched, the light will be on. Ma'am, due to shine, it is not
Visible.
Morning, ma'am. I'm Mohammed Manish from Class 8 Media with my teammate Nizar. Stand before you to serve the exam. So let's begin with what what is here? A dam is a structure built across a river or water bridge to control the flow of water. Working on dam. Dam was built controlling the flow of a river.
What it is?
Water.
Through these gates, water will come out. Very nice project. What it is?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm from class 17.
Alright.
This is project on geography.
What you have made?
Drip irrigation.
Drip irrigation. Alright. How it will work?
We will start the motor. The water will suck from the pump and it will flow into a tanker. As the tanker is
Why this is known as drip irrigation?
because the water will flow in the form of drop.
Acha. And from where it will come out? In the form of drop? Acha. Alright. As I can see in pipes there are various holes. Through that holes water will be coming out in a drip form. Very nice, children. What it is?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm at the site with my partner, Ira Khan, and here we have a process of electrolysis of water, basically the separation of hydrogen and oxygen molecules from water. Like if I ask you a basic question that how will you separate hydrogen and oxygen?
Yeah.
Your obvious answer will be something like by applying heat to it or something like that on. But not the same with water. Water compound can only be separated by passing of electric charge to it. That is what we are doing here.
Alright.
So,
Show me the working.
here you can see the formation of bubble on the negative end, that is cathode, and this one, the formation of this gas ions is hydrogen, and this ion form is evolving into the formation of its gaseous form, that is basically the hydrogen gas. And here on the positive term, that is terminal, that is anode, here you can see the formation of oxygen.
Yeah, I can see small bubbles. So this is the formation of oxygen.
And also this process of electrolysis is useful in various processes, and electrolysis can be used for the production of hydrogen.
Alright. Very nice.
9.5 and it is made up by Newton Ambach and the successor derivative 1190. And
This is a light.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Hydropower plant. We convert mechanical energy in electrical energy. When the turbine gets rotated, change it store electrical energy in the power station.
Okay, so how the turbine will rotate, beta? Acha, with the help of water. That is why its name is hydrogen.
When the water falls and
Alright.
then it rotates, and when it rotates, it generates electrical energy which store in the power station, and it supply all the electrical energy to the poles and to all the houses, and then like all the switch like
Very nice, children. Very nice. Okay, what it is this, children? Electric lift. Very nice. Why it is used?
this is from one building to another building. People and
One floor to another floor. By the way, you people are from class 12. What are you doing here? Visiting exhibition. Very nice.
disaster alert management. So here we have shown three disasters. First is earthquake, second is fire alarm, and third is flood. So first we will start with on the land by make people alert and the mechanisms made by alert.
this the father of Gorakhpur airport is Jiadi Tata. As you can see that the flights are the most reliable and fastest medium of travel.
Here it is a
ATC tower.
It controls the weather condition and climatic condition. Whether maybe the flights can delay if any information the pilots have to give
The pilots, and it helps to make the flights with no collisions and
What it is, beta?
It is a rain detector. It is used in rainy season when the presence of rain. When it is the presence of rain, it triggers a quick response.
Show me. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Then he said, take out the sapphires from my eyes and give it in the hospital. Again, she agreed. And then he began to request and request and request. Then after all the jewels were removed, the statue came to be dull and grey. The maid decided to take out the statue from the. It is a very structural and functional unit of our body. It is the longest cell of our body. Here are some structures of neuron. These are the dendrites. Actually, dendrites receive the signal from the previous neuron, and after that, this is nucleus. Nucleus plays a very crucial role in the structure of neuron. After that, this is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure which is present in the structure of neuron. It contains various organelles like endoplasmic, mitochondria, etc. After that, this is good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Then we have make the structure and function of heart.
Very nice. How it will work?
This is myelin sheath. Ma'am, is a covering which protects the exon. Because exon is very delicate. After that, this is terminal branches. Ma'am, terminal branches what?
Can you explain?
Yes, ma'am. We have make a structure and function of heart. Heart is a muscular organ and it is made up of cardiac muscle. It has 4 chambers: the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and left ventricle. It has 4 major vessels: the inferior vena cava, the superior vena cava, the pulmonary artery, and pulmonary vein. Now I will explain you the internal structure of heart. The deoxygenated blood enters through inferior vena cava, through right atrium, and goes to the right ventricle.
Alright.
After that, through pulmonary artery, go to the lungs and exchange the gases. Now it takes oxygen and the oxygenated blood through pulmonary vein and then through the left article and moves to the left ventricle. Through aorta, it goes to distribution.
Alright, I have one question. Why this is blue in color? Why this is red in color?
Because it does not contain oxygen and it contains oxygen. That's in the project when we have made Visheshar department, there are 4 parts of Visheshar: Sankhya-vachak Visheshar, Guna-vachak Visheshar, Parivar-vachak Visheshar, and Sankhya-vachak Visheshar.
Very nice, beta.
प्रभात मैम, यहाँ में पूछो कि कुछ मशहूर पहेलियाँ हैं जो प्राचीन काल से अभी तक प्रचलित हैं।
Alright. These are the riddles, right?
और इनके बीच में किस तरह
Answer is given. लाल गाय लकड़ी खाए, पानी पिए, मर जाए. What it is?
माघ।
Alright. This is interesting. 12 घोड़े, 30 गाड़ी, 300 पैंट्स, करे सवारी.
365
How many kinds of अलंकार are there?
मैम, तो मैम शब्द अलंकार और अर्थ अलंकार। मैम शब्द अलंकार वो अलंकार होते हैं जो शब्द के द्वारा काव्य में जुड़कर उनकी विशेषता बताते हैं, और अर्थ अलंकार वो अलंकार होते हैं जो अर्थ के द्वारा काव्य में जुड़कर अपनी विशेषता बताते हैं।
ये हमारा इंटीरियर प्रोजेक्ट है।
साहित्य के नगीने. Alright. Reflex art. How it will work, beta?
As you can see, when we are putting any hot sensation here, the hand will pull itself upside. Okay, the stimulus get triggered. Then the sensory neuron take the messages to the spinal cord. Then our spinal cord synapse to the interneuron, and that motor neuron sends the message to the hand that put his hand back, because any sensation it get triggered. Okay, so it is all about immediate action. It gets stimulus very immediately, and it is done without any conscious thinking.
Very nice. Very well done. The project is made by how many of you?
6 of us.
6 of us. Very nice, beta. Keep your good work high.
Trigonometric ratios that are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta.
Now here we have students from class 9th और इन बच्चों ने बनाया हुआ था ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल पार्क, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे स्विंग्स भी हैं और स्लाइड्स भी हैं, सीसॉ भी हैं। डिफरेंट स्विंग्स के थ्रू एक्सप्लेन किया जा रहा है।
perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, and so on. here are some reciprocal identities like, ma'am, this is the arrangement of some trigonometry. Like, if we want to measure the height of this pole, we can use this arrangement. Since the base height is 17 cm from the base, we know that angle of elevation is forming from the ground to the top is 60 degrees.
Yeah.
We want that perpendicular upon base. It comes under tan theta. So we will keep the value of tan 60 as root 3. It will be like root 3 is equals to perpendicular upon base height is 17. So value of perpendicular, that is height of this pole, will come 17 root 3 or root 3 17 centimeters. Thank you.
Very nice. What you have made, beta?
Rose atomic model.
We are representing a rose atomic model.
All right.
It's given by Niels Rose in 19.
Okay. What it is?
Nucleus.
It is nucleus, and inside it,
It's proton and neutron.
proton and neutron. Okay. Just tell me one question, beta. Why atom is electrically neutral?
Because proton and neutron.
Both electron and proton.
Okay. Both have the same charge, so that is why they cut each other, and hence the total charge is 0. Nice. What it is? Sewage treatment plant.
The dirty water comes from the industries and it's get filtrated through various processes. This includes sedimentation, filtration and screening. Screening is the removal of large particles like rock, and sedimentation is the process by which the small particles get settled down in the liquid. And ma'am,
That's it. Very nice.
good morning ma'am.
Good morning.
Wireless electricity transmission system. With the help of this you can transfer electricity without making any physical touch of the wire.
Without the help of physical touch.
No ma'am, without physical touch of the wire.
Wait, without the physical touch of the wire. All right.
Ma'am, it works on the principle of magnetic induction. Ma'am, if you make it frozen, then the bulb start glowing.
Yeah.
Because this, when I supply electricity to this coil, it start acting as a magnet. We start.
So, in this talk we have tried to depict the golden periods of English literature.
All right.
Okay, and in English literature, everyone knows that the two periods, Elizabethan age and Victorian age, they are considered to be the golden era because during Elizabethan period, all the dramas, the famous dramas which we read, the tragedies, the comedies by William Shakespeare and the poets like Spenser,
Yeah.
they are there, and you have depicted their photographs, and there's a kind of introduction to those authors, to those poets and their creations that we have
Okay,
tried.
then what
And
is this
a kind
about?
of this is a kind of imaginary time bridge from Elizabethan age to Victorian age. And in the Victorian age, that was a time of industrial revolution. There was a lot of transition in the society, and when there is a lot of transition, there is a kind of conflict when the way of the life is changed. Okay, people are in a conflict between their old values and the modern ones. Okay, that conflict, conflict always gives birth to literature, and that was the reason
literature.
some immortal poems, some immortal stories were written during this era. And the major shift was, we see the classical literature in the Elizabethan period, dramas were written more, and in Victorian age we find more of novels. It was a new kind of a new dimension of literature which was added during Victorian age. And then there is a theatre during Elizabethan age. Okay, these kind of theatres were used because at that time there were no amplifiers or these sound devices. Okay, so people used to sit around, and in the middle they used to perform the plays, so that everyone can listen to the sound and everyone is
Because of the reflection of sound. Because of this structure.
Downstairs, there used to be the performance, and people used to sit on all the
Upstairs.
floors, so that maximum people are near to the performance.
Okay. Very well explained, sir. It's a very nice project as well. Nice children's.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, this is our mathematical park where we have used so many shapes to make this park. Here you can see the bridge is as a semicircle, and the merry-go-round showing the types of angles, and the swing which is showing the types of triangle, and a slide which is showing the
Points, lines, and
point,
lines.
line, segment, and etc.
Very nice, children.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sharan Jamal, and I am a student of class 6B along with my teammate Mohammad Nabi. Today we are demonstrating the project of parallel lines which are intersected by transversal. The first one and from the first.
Very nice, children. Turn it, turn it.
Second one is alternate exterior angle. The third one is same side interior angle. Fourth one is same side exterior angle. And the last one
Very
is
nice.
run this project.
Very nice, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon. What you have made, guys?
Ma'am, this is our artificial intelligence project. Ma'am, this is the robot ma'am made from waste material, ma'am. And ma'am, this is the example of artificial intelligence.
Boys. Hello, boys.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, the project of food chain
This is
in
the project
animals.
of food chain in animals. Very nice, children. You all have made by your own.
Yes, ma'am.
Very well done. These are mushrooms.
Yes, ma'am. These are
Real mushrooms.
decomposers, fungi.
All right. What it is?
model of kidney.
Kidney. These two bean-shaped structure are. Okay. These bean-shaped structure are. Kidney. ठीक है. And these tubes are. These tubes are ureter. All right. Very nice, children. Okay, children, what you have made?
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Priya Mishra. My Sejal Prince. Class 16. Today we are here to explain our project, that is layers of soil. The soil is made up of 5 distinct layers. The one on which we stand is called surface layer or umbralization. It is the topmost layer of the soil from which the plant and organic matter decompose and form the humus. Now it's our near horizon. It's also known as topsoil. The topsoil is the next layer down, and it is made by the windrest, and it contains most of the plants and roots live here.
And here is our principal ma'am.
इसी जगह पे सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए थे क्लास वाइज फ्रॉम क्लास नर्सरी टिल क्लास 11th ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स वर देयर और आगे और भी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो उसे मैं पार्ट 2 में अपलोड करने वाली हूँ सो स्टे ट्यून डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब
हेलो
हेलो हाय
ब्लॉग में अच्छी फोटो आनी चाहिए सबसे
आती है बहुत अच्छी आ रही है आपने बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट बनवाया है सर आई मस्ट से
हम लोगों ने मिलकर देखिए मैथ्स का बनवाया है ये और
बिल्कुल
ये फिजिक्स से आगे दोनों बनवाया है
हाँ